Today we're going to show you how to install 3 mods that are fully legal and will transform your F87 M2. Alright, welcome back everybody to the R44 workshop. Today, finally, we've got some F-Series cars in the shop. We've got an F87 M2 Comp, probably one of the best value for money M cars on the road today. Actually, GAs are pretty good. They come down to like £65,000 here in the UK. But more importantly, let's run it through. We've got a brand new shift steering wheel. So this is a matte carbon top and bottom with perforated sides with an M stitching. So this is a full direct replacement steering wheel. Doesn't retain the heating, but this car doesn't have heating, so we've got nothing to worry about. That is a nice upgrade, matches the matte interior quite well. And then we've got 2 sound upgrades. So we've got a Milltek OPF-back exhaust. If you're in the UK or in Europe, you have OPF filters. These cars need to stay compliant. So we've got a Milltek OPF equal length OPF-back system. It's a lot of OPFs, but more importantly, this is one of the best sounding systems that I've ever installed. The Remus is really good, but this has a unique sound that is crazy loud. So we'll install that now. Again, staying MOT friendly and compliant for the road. And then we've got an MST front mount, or not front mount, just a top mount intake system. So open cones at the top, we're gonna get a loud whoosh. But more importantly, let's get installing and then let's have a verdict when it's all fit.